Tired of manually copying and pasting information from other apps into Jira? Today, we're going to show you how to supercharge your Jira workflows by scraping data from external sources using N8n, all without code. First things first, let's head over to N8n and start a new workflow right on the canvas. We'll need to add a trigger node. This will initiate your workflow. For this example, we can use a webhook trigger to react to a specific event. Set up the webhook URL. This will be the unique address that calls your workflow. The magic happens with the HTTP request node. This node is where you'll configure the scraping. We're going to tell the HTTP node to make a GET request to the target website to retrieve information, then paste in the URL of the web page you wish to scrape the data from. Next, we need the core part of the work, the information we're after. The HTML extract node allows us to take that information and extract what we're after, point it at the data you are looking for, using an appropriate tag to capture the element that contains the information you need. To pass the scraped data into Jira, we will use the Jira Node. We must make a choice from a number of actions, such as creating an issue or commenting on something within the node. We connect to Jira via the appropriate account and then select the project we're working with. Now is the time to add the details within the Create Issue section. Map the data from the HTML extract node into the appropriate Jira field. Select Summary, Description, and any components you might want to add to the issue. This will automatically create a Jira task with the new information. Finally, run the workflow to test. Trigger your webhook, look at the output data, and make sure it's scraping and sending the info your way. Then, test your Jira. You should now see a new issue with the scraped data. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated scraping workflow with N8n and Jira. You can customize this even further to fit your exact needs for seamless information transfer. #Jira automation #N8n